Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be exploring this awesome website that you're seeing right now. So if I'm taking my cursor around the head of this robot, you can see how interactive it is. If I shift to this area, you see the robot is looking at the cursor. If I shift to this area, the robot is also looking at the cursor. So if I go up, the robot is looking at the cursor. If I go down, the robot is looking at the cursor. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create this awesome hero session on your WordPress website. Yes, you heard me, your WordPress website. This is where we are going to create this awesome slicky design right now on this video. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't want you to miss out on these awesome things that is coming out from this channel. So hit and smash the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. So let's head back to this awesome website. For us to achieve this awesome website, we are going to visit a website where we can be able to get this for free. You don't have to pay any dime for it. You don't have to be a super coding genius to get this done on your WordPress website. So let's go now and get this done. So all we need to do here is to open a new tab here and search for this website called 21st.dev. So on this website, you have a lot of components that you want to use for your jobs. You have a call to action component, you have the footer component, you have features component, you have a lot of components here, testimonial components, you have UI components, video, text, and then what we're looking for today is called a hero component. So you can see our interactive 3D here. It's part of the hero components, but if you want to explore more on the hero components, you can click on the hero components here, and it brings out all the components that is attached on the hero session. Look at how beautiful these components are. Look how slicky and attractive and sweet the components are looking. So what we're looking for is this awesome interactive 3D component. Alright, so once we open up this area, you can see that the interactive 3D component is open. All we need to do here is just to copy a prompt. So we're going to click on copy prompt. So once the prompt is copied, we'll go straight to our Claude AI. So I'm going to give out something that you can use to I'm going to give out the prompts that you can use to modify this prompt to put what you want inside. So I'm going to paste this prompt here. Now I've pasted this prompt. I'm going to go back to my Google Doc to copy my own prompt. So you can see my prompt here. So I'm going to make some few changes, the primary button and the secondary button. So I'm going to open up my website that I want to put this awesome thing on. So I'm going to open up this website here. And once I open it up, you can see this website that I want to add this on. And once I open it up, I'm going to click on this product area that says products. I'm going to copy it, go back here on my Google Doc, and I will paste the get started button here, and I will paste this product here, and I will go back again and click on about us page. I'm going to copy it here, go back again to my Google Doc and paste it here. So after doing this, you can change this to whatever you want to change to your this thing. Let's say we want to change the heading here the home of machine, we can say the home of tech, the home of tech. So after that, I'm going to copy all this here and go back to my Claude AI and paste it here. So after pasting that, I'm going to click on send. So automatically Claude is going to create a WordPress hero session for us. So now we're going to wait for it to create our hero session while we go to our WordPress and paste it. So guys, stick around. So awesome, you can see that our AI has already created our code. So what we're going to do here is to copy this code here. Now we're going to go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to our dashboard. Now opening our dashboard, we'll go to our pages. So I'm going to click on pages. Now we want it to be our hero session on our home area. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor here. So once you open up to this edit with Elementor, I am going to add this awesome code that I just copied from Claude AI to my WordPress website. What I'm going to do here is to wait for it to open up. So once it's open, I'm going to click on this structure here, click on this container. I'm going to add a new container here. I'm going to add a new container up. I'm going to add a new container, let's say HTML. I'm going to drag it and drop it on this area. So once I drag it and drop it on that area, I'm going to paste our code here. And this is our code. This is our code on this area. You can see our code is here right now. I'll paste our code, and once I'm done with the code, I can go back to the container and put it on full width. Okay, so I'll put it on full width. After that, I'm going to close this structure. I'm going to publish the website. So after publishing the website, I'm going to preview the website to see how it's looking on this area. So you can see that our website is looking different, and we are having everything showing on this website. Started here. It's going to take us to our products area where you can be able to buy what you want to buy. And if we click on learn more here, it's going to take us to our about section where you can be able to see more about this company. So guys, this is how you can do this awesome thing. So guys, I want you guys to hit back on 21st.dev and look for a lot of things that you can use to create awesome and unique websites, all for free. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel and if you're still waiting for validation, don't wait anymore. Smash the subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever we're doing or something like this. So guys, see you on the next one.